If you're seeking an effective solution for weight management and energy enhancement, CarboFire could be the breakthrough you need. Many individuals face challenges like stubborn fat, low energy, and unmanageable cravings, despite committing to healthy habits. CarboFire's advanced formula combines natural, scientifically supported ingredients to boost fat metabolism, curb appetite, and sustain higher energy levels, making it a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts and those looking to transform their physique. CarboFire is available exclusively through its official website and trusted online retailers, ensuring quality and authenticity. Its unique blend of thermogenic activators and metabolic enhancers targets the core issues of weight gain and low energy. By supporting fat oxidation and appetite suppression, CarboFire helps users achieve a sustainable caloric deficit while maintaining muscle mass and vitality. What sets CarboFire apart is its strategic use of proven ingredients such as green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, and L-carnitine. Green tea extract, rich in catechins and caffeine, accelerates fat burning and boosts metabolic rate. Garcinia cambogia, loaded with hydroxycitric acid, HCA, aids in reducing fat storage and suppressing appetite. L-carnitine enhances the body's ability to convert fat into energy, mitigating fatigue and fostering endurance. Complemented by chromium picolinate for blood sugar regulation and caffeine anhydrous for heightened focus and thermogenesis, CarboFire provides a comprehensive approach to weight management. Taking CarboFire is simple, with a recommended dosage of 1 to 2 capsules daily, preferably with meals. Its non-GMO and natural formulation ensures safety and compatibility for most users, though those sensitive to caffeine or with pre-existing health conditions should consult a healthcare provider. Manufactured in a facility adhering to strict quality standards, CarboFire offers a reliable and effective supplement for those looking to elevate their fitness journey. CarboFire's benefits are amplified when paired with a balanced diet and consistent exercise regimen. Users often report improved energy levels, reduced cravings, and noticeable fat loss, especially in stubborn areas. However, individual results may vary, and some may experience mild side effects such as jitteriness or digestive upset, particularly when starting. For those ready to take control of their weight and energy, CarboFire is a promising choice. Visit the official website to secure your bottles, take advantage of discounts, and start unlocking your full potential with this innovative supplement.